I'm Adrienne Klasa, Development Finance Editor of The Banker, and I'm here at the SWIFT Regional Conference for Latin America in Miami. And I'm joined by Gabriel Eduardo Di Lelle, thank you so much for being here, who is the VP of Innovation and Digital Transformation at Bancolombia.
Hi Adrienne, how are you?
Very well. So first to start off, you were just on a panel talking about API. Can you talk to me about some of the main takeaways from that?
Okay, first of all, really happy to see the topic is being addressed as part of a conference as this in the region. This is, I would say, something new. So it shows that the banks in the region are really becoming aware of this. And by some of the polls, the online polls that were done while we were discussing on the panel, very, very happy to see that adoption and interest on APIs is increasing. Of course, a long way to go yet, but really happy to see that the industry is reacting properly to this topic.
Now, can you give me an update more broadly on the Colombian markets and sort of new product solutions that you're working on there, and what is driving innovation at this point in time?
Innovation is pretty much driven by an understanding that this industry needs to be reinvented, right? The disruption all over the world is also happening in Latin America, probably a little bit slower. But it's going to happen. So you cannot, wait for someone else to disrupt your industry. Either you reinvent yourself or you're going to suffer the consequences, literally. So basically, innovation for us means to rethink ourselves, and that means changing a historical fact is to be a little bit more concerned on collaboration with third parties, and that means collaborating a lot with the fintechs and the startups. And the second word a fintech will tell you is API, right? So you need to open up. That's one of the reasons I'm happy to see this happening in this conference. But so collaboration is pretty much driven by what these fintechs can bring to us. An example I was mentioning in the panel last year, we released a new product. It's called InvestBot, which is the first robo-advisor for the Colombian market. And we do that in 32 days, which is probably a worldwide record in terms of releasing a new banking product. And the reason why we did it in 32 days, two things. A fintech brought in the intelligence and the algorithms for the robo-advisor, and we had the APIs, so we could launch that. And then we are collaborating a lot with some small and medium businesses, putting new solutions on the cloud, like type of ERP solutions. Again, fintechs and other type of startups, and we integrate that through APIs with our solutions.
Gabriel, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.